Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make videos about DIYs, home decor and lifestyle improvement. And if you like watching such videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you are not missing any of our video. So in today's video, I am going to talk about my experience of buying a hand-tufted wool carpet from Amazon. And apart from it, I also got 2 floor lamps from Amazon and I'm going to share my experience with you guys. If in case you have seen the living room tour of my new apartment which I posted a couple of months back, then you must have seen a carpet. This was a carpet which I randomly discovered on Amazon. Basically, I was looking for a good quality hand-tufted wool carpet, and let me tell you, if you're not aware, wool hand-tufted carpets are very costly. So in my mind, I was prepared that I'll be spending around 10 to 15k because I wanted a carpet which would stay for us for years. I was not looking for a short-term option. So I was ready to invest the money, but then I saw a beautiful carpet at just rupees 5,000. I mean, I was surprised if this was for real. And I got the carpet, and let me tell you, I was very skeptical. I told my husband that maybe we have to return the carpet if it is not that great. But when we opened the package, I was pleasantly surprised. The top carpet was a top-notch one. This carpet is from a brand called Sanded Edge, and this is a very plush, beautiful hand-tufted carpet. This is a 100% wool carpet and it is made in India. This carpet is 8 into 5 feet in size and is perfect for a medium-sized living room. I went with a wool carpet because wool carpets are known for their sustainability over the long period of time. They sustain their original color over years of wear and cleaning. Wool has a natural coating that resists water-based stains, which make up the majority of common spills. Spot remover is also very easy if spills are dealt with immediately. As you can see, the thickness of the carpet is also very good, which means it stays on its place even if you are dancing or exercising on it. This brand has a huge collection of designs available on Amazon and on their own website. I will be sharing all the links in the description box. All the wool carpets have a tendency to shed initially, so you have to keep them vacuuming, and after a while they will stop shedding. Now that I have used this carpet over 5 to 6 months, I can easily say this is one of the best carpet in this price range. So without worrying, go for it and you will love it. Now that we are done talking about the carpet, I am going to talk about the floor lamps which I recently got from Amazon. I was looking for a budget-friendly and compact floor lamps for my living room and my study. Both of them are similar in design. They are from the same brand called Branded Edge, and I'm going to show you how do they look. First of all, I'm opening the box and sharing the whole unboxing process with you. The lamps arrived safely in a very nicely packed box. All the parts were very nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, and all the parts were also nicely labeled. Even the shade was very safely packed. This lamp requires a basic assembly, so it comes with an instruction sheet which will help you assemble all the parts. This will hardly take you 5 minutes and you will easily assemble the lamp. The lamp does comes with an instruction sheet. Following that, you can easily assemble the lamp, and even if you do not look at the instruction sheet, it is very easy to assemble. Basically, the lamp has got 3 parts. You have to simply screw all the parts together and then put on the lamp shade in the end and you will be done. This is a lamp called Hudson lamp, and it has got 3 shells, and this can be used as a bedside lamp or for living room as well. As you can see, this is a very sleek and compact lamp. It has a storage and it also has a light, so it has a dual purpose. It is perfect for small apartments, small homes or corners where you do not have a lot of space. This lamp is made from birch plywood and hand polished to walnut color to give it a look which matches most of the furniture pieces in your home. The lamp is light and weight, which means you can easily move it from one place to another without any hassle. And if you are someone who keeps on moving cities, moving locations, moving homes, then this is a perfect option for you. Base of the product is heavier and thicker than the other shells. This is to ensure firmness of the product to the ground. Shade comes in 4 different color options: beige, orange, red and yellow, and you can pick any color which goes with the overall aesthetics of your home. And the second floor lamp which I bought from the same brand has got an oval shade. It is space saver and it is a value for money buy. I love products which are not only beautiful but they do have a functional aspect as well. So this lamp is one such product. This is not only a space saver, this gives you a storage option and gives a beautiful ambience to your home. Fabric of both the shades gives an ambient light through when all the lights are switched off. Ambience is the brightest part of the lamp. It adds glamour and seeing through the dim light helps de-stress after a long day of work. You can see right now I have kept this lamp next to my sofa in the living room and it has saved so much space. I have kept all my remotes, speaker, Alexa, everything on one of the shelves and other two shelves are filled with plants and things I love. Both the lamps are very reasonably priced and they are available at a selling price of Rs 2750 only. I think both the floor lamps are great options for city apartments, small houses and rental homes and people who keep on moving, keep changing their homes. This is a very good lamp and this is a very pocket friendly option as well. So I highly recommend this brand on all the products from them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. You found all the 3 products useful. I'll be sharing all the links in the description box including the Amazon storefront of the carpet brand so that you can check all other designs from them. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do leave your feedback in the comments so that I can make better videos. Thank you so much for watching Metro Mom.